So after I did the other video on things that you learn in school that's gonna apply to your job, for some reason I had another video idea. You know what I'm saying? How to make friends. You know what I'm saying? For those of you who just got to university or college or something like that, and you want to know how to make friends. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna tell you like this. Anybody can make friends. You know, I can make friends off across the street or anything like that. Anybody can just make friends. You know, just as they say, what's a better word of putting it? Kiss up to them. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking something else, but I don't wanna. I wanna keep this PG. Just kissing up to them. You know what I'm saying? You don't. I mean, just kissing up to people. You can probably just make any type of friends you want. That's what I think. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, some people, kissing up to them too much, kind of, you know, don't feel right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can make any type of friends. As long as it's mutual. You know what I'm saying? But I think the better question is like, do you want to make, how to make, good quality friends, friends that, is the friends that you looking for and stuff like that. So, um, and that answer is pretty simple right there. I'm just gonna tell you like this: to make, quality friends, friends that you want, friends that you need in your life and stuff like that. The best way to find those type of people is basically to not need, a friend. Not, how can I put it? Not being desperate to make friends. You know what I'm saying? Um, that's the best way to find people like that. Not being desperate to make friends. Because if you're desperate to make friends, you tend to settle for people that that's really not good for you. You know what I'm saying? That talks down to you and stuff like that. And you'll tolerate that stuff just because you want to fit in and stuff like that. But the best way to get quality friends is you just don't need them. You know what I'm saying? If somebody just you talk to somebody on the street or in your classroom and stuff like that, y'all talking and stuff like that, and then y'all was getting to know each other and stuff like that, and then he say something to you or she say something to you that's um like I can't believe you said that to me. You know what I'm saying? Like that's really not helping this friendship or something like that. And so I mean, you have to build just, hey, this ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? And stuff like that. Let me see. I mean, that's some few lucky people that keep their friends and stuff like that or whatnot. But yeah, and stuff like that. But yeah, you wanna make friends. When you first get in class, when you first get in college or go to college, go to class, whatever. This is your first semester starting out in college. I mean, it's pretty easy to make friends. Go up to somebody, talk to them, then hey, I kind of get your number, we can study or something like that, share notes or something like that, or go to lunch. When class is over with, because most of y'all got the same schedule anyway, and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all see that grill in the? What is that? Okay, never mind. But yeah. I mean, look at this. I'm out in the woods. Just look at it. Just look. You hear a little crow back there. Yeah. 9 out of 10, that's something dead back there. I bet I smell some stuff. But yeah, man, it's that simple. And you can apply it basically if you're not an engineering major or anything. You can apply it even though, whoa, you can apply it on your job or anywhere else in life. So yeah. All right, man. Like the video and comment back. I mean, what you like to see next or whatever. Yeah.